guys, it's Ilene here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a pocket letter collaboration with Aunt Sue and Sassy Pixie. I'm so excited to participate in this Halloween pocket letter collaboration. Their channels will be linked down below. Before we jump into this, I just want to ask you, if you haven't already, to please subscribe to my channel and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. So there's 9 little pockets, and typically you could fold it up this way to mail it if you want to do a swap. And you open it up, and here is my pocket letter. So this is what the back of the pocket letter looks like, with all those little goodie bags. And so we're gonna start with this top on the left corner, and I'm gonna start showing you guys how I decorated my pockets for Halloween. So we're gonna start on this side, and you see here I just decorated it with my washi tape, and I put the googly eyes. I found this little adornment for $1.25. I thought it was perfect for this Halloween craft at Michael's. I made a little tassel just to hang off the edge, and I thought just these little hangings were cute. So we're gonna start with this top left corner, and I put on top just one of those little clips that I made here, and I just glued on another little googly eye. Inside this first pocket is this card that I made, wishing you a wonderfully wicked Halloween. And I used this paper and cut it to size. These words were actually in one of the cards that I hold from the Dollar Tree, and then I just added some random gems. The back of the card is plain, and we'll go over the goodies in the back at the end. Moving on to the second pocket, I made this little card out of the black paper. You could barely see, but there is a design. I added my washi tape, the letters to spell boo. I love this little sticker that I added. I took that off a card from the Dollar Tree, and you could see some of the pumpkin on that black paper that I purchased because I made them double-sided. Yeah, this was my very first one, so, you know, I hope I did well. I can't wait to see what you guys have to say. On the third pocket in the top, I did go ahead and paint this black, add some gems, a little bling, and this like skeleton head at the top of my clothespin. So this card I did make. This is probably my most favorite card. I used that same paper because I did that in all the 4 corners, and I added a sticker here, and this door I cut from a piece of contact paper that you get from the Dollar Tree to look like that faux wood, and I thought that would be great to make a door. I used the glitter around to form out the door, and then this little sticker that says trick or treat, and using my little paint pen, I made the little dots to detail like it was hanging, and the gem for the doorknob. And I left it plain on the back as well. This is the second row, and I made the candy corn theme with this shaker pocket in the middle. I ended up sewing my shaker pocket shut because I don't have a fuse tool. And I love the shaker pocket. On the front side, I used a glue dot and attached this bow I made with some Dollar Tree ribbon to hide the stitching from where I sewed. On the first pocket here, I'm gonna show you guys the card. This card says candy corn time, and I thought it was so cute, and it was from one of the Dollar Tree cards that I took the candy corn off. I also moved it. I took the candy corn off and moved it to this new location, and I tried to make the top of his head with that other paper, added some purple bling. On the back, it's that orange color with the pumpkin detail, and I just thought this was super pretty. So that was the first card. Then we have the shaker pocket, and we have this card here that I also used one of the stickers that were on the card. I used my skeleton washi tape, added this other banner detail, cut out the little candy corn guy, and the back is that black pumpkin raised pattern. And now we're on to the last row. This was definitely another one of my favorite pockets. I made tags for this pocket. This was one of my favorites. I made these tags and the little holder you see. So I used that paper that I love, is so pretty. We're gonna do the back side after. And then I made these two different tags. And this was my favorite. I just used some wire and wrapped it into the format of a hanger, hung this little boo banner, and I just thought it was super cute. On this one, I have a cutout from the printer. It just says poison, and that's why I used the red glitter. So those just go back right here into this little pocket. Paper, stick that in. On this middle pocket, I designed my bat washi tape. I added a gem, and this I printed from the computer saying brain juice, and I added some more gems, and I just thought that was pretty. And the back side of the card, I have that washi tape and these two little skull head stickers, and they're so cute. They're raised. And for that last pocket on the bottom, I have that candy corn again, but he's on that outside. So this is what the actual card looks like, and I used just some black leaves, added my sequins. I cut out this orange banner, glued it on to this paper because it's in the corner, used my little skull head. The back is that plain, beautiful paper again, and I thought this card was another cute card. So now we're gonna flip it over and check out the back, and in this first pocket now on my right, you can see these little tags I made. This one says boo, it looks like a ghost. I added a couple of little stickers, and this one says creepy. In that second pocket, I added this bag of sequins. In this bag here, I have a bunch of little gems and the googly eyes. Now we're in that second row, first pocket, and I have a bunch of felt stickers. You see the owl, and I added gems for the eyes, a ghost. You can't really see, but obviously it's that the bat's in here, and those are the little felt stickers. This is the shaker pocket. In this pocket here, I included some of my purple bling wrap. Moving along to that last first pocket, you see I included some ribbon, some orange ribbon. In this second pocket, I included some washi tape samples that I used on this project. And then that very last pocket was the one that I made that extra golden tag for in the back. This tag says human skull juice, and you could just slip it right in here until you want to use it. And I thought these tags, they were one of my favorite parts of this project. So here's my pocket letter. That is it for this pocket letter. I enjoyed so much making this. It was a lot of fun, guys. If you haven't ever tried making a pocket letter, you definitely should. I'm completely interested in doing pocket letter swaps. I plan to do more paper crafting. This really was fun for me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a great big thumbs up. Comment down below on what you enjoyed most about this. Let me know if you're interested in a swap. And please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.